Welcome back to Sow Grow. My name is Luke, and today we're going to talk about what happened to my red pickup truck and where we're at right now. The fuck, man? Barely. In late June, I was heading home from work on a Friday afternoon, and a guy fell asleep on the highway and came into my lane and hit me head on. I had some neck injuries, and so the truck was definitely totaled, and now I'm back to looking for another truck. And here's what I had to do for the last 4 months. Clifford, I'm guessing, is a total loss. Frame's bent. I had to kick my door open to get out. Both airbags went off. My headphones okay?
I don't know. You'll have to inspect them.
Here's the guy's Ram that hit me. My bumper is attached to his truck. Yeah, both his airbags went off. Every day since the car accident, I would get on Auto Trader, Auto Tempest, Facebook Marketplace, and daily I would look for trucks that fit my needs. A lot of my options were more GMT 900s, like my old Sierra was. But I kind of wanted something different. And the GMT 800 was a favorite of mine because it came out basically when I was in high school and early college. And just kind of a nostalgic feel to them. My other options were to spend a little bit more money than my truck cashed out for, and get a 2015 or newer Chevy or GMC 2500. And I even looked into Ford F-250s and 350s. And over the last 4 months I've visited several different trucks, and there was always something that I didn't like about them. Either too expensive, too much rust, or sketchy background. Okay, I have flown to Omaha, Nebraska, of all places. And here I am probably going to buy a new truck to replace Clifford, my 2013 GMC Sierra 2500. We'll see. Hopefully I can get a truck and fly higher for nothing. Alright, I did it. Bought a new truck. It's not new.
It's in fact 23 years old. It has a little over 86,000 miles on it, so that's pretty dang low for a 23-year-old truck. And man, it's smooth. The engine has got a lot of power, way more power than my 6-liter, my old GMC Sierra 2500. These trucks are notorious for poor gas mileage, but so far I'm averaging over 10 miles per gallon. I'll take that.
I'm back home now, and I have replaced my red GMC Sierra 2500 with 2 trucks. The first one here is a 2007 GMC Sierra 1500. I gotta sneeze. It actually was my dad's truck, and then he sold it to my sister for my nephew to drive, and now he doesn't need it, he's in college, so I'm probably gonna buy this from my sister. It is 4-wheel drive, pretty basic cloth interior, 5.3 liter V8, and it's going to be my beater truck. And then the nice truck is a 2002 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD with the 8.1 liter big block V8. And man, this truck's awesome. I'll give you a tour. And we're going to start with a cold start. Now I got some money off because it has the typical Chevy pulley belt squeaky bit going on. But that's not a big deal. I'm going to get that fixed. But other than that, the truck is flawless. It's an LT trim level, but it's got heated leather seats, power adjustable seats including lumbar, which is great. These seats are so comfortable. Everything's stock except for a tuner. I haven't really gone through it yet. And go to programming, and right now it's on a tow tune, but I have not tried out the other ones yet. So it might have an engine and a transmission tune. Interesting. And it's an extended cab, and the interior is just super clean. Hardly any wear on the bolsters of the seat here. Door panels are really clean. The whole body is clean. The whole frame is clean. Looks almost brand new. And it's got 86, maybe 87,000 miles on it now. And it has a Lear topper on it. That's really nice. And the exhaust is aftermarket. It's MagnaFlow. It kind of drones, and it's a little too loud for my liking. So maybe we'll see what we can do about that. But just a really clean truck. And then here's the Sierra. So now I've got a GMT 800 and a GMT 900. Pretty cool. My nephew has sort of destroyed this truck though. Look at the door and the mirror. The mirror wasn't his fault. Somebody ran into them at the dog park. But my nephew definitely did this on the door. And then there's no door handle. And then a big scrape down the side. And when my dad sold it, it was just starting to rust. And yeah. The frame's decent though. It's definitely not nearly as bad as some other Midwestern frames. Thanks for coming along with me on this truck finding and buying journey. If you want me to put out some more 8.1 liter content, let me know. It's a pretty cool truck. Anyway, thanks for watching.